We're going to take a quick look now at revision clouds in the new metalplate.dwg file. At the moment, we're in the Model tab, which is where I prefer to place my revision clouds. Let's go to the Sections and Elevations Layout tab, and I'll show you why I don't like to put revision clouds in the Layout tabs. Now, just leave your layout on the text layer for now. That's fine for revision clouds. We could create a new layer if we wanted to. It's entirely up to you on that one. And the revision cloud command is over here on the draw panel, on the home tab on the ribbon. Just expand the draw panel, pin it open, and you'll find revision clouds are here. So you've got rectangular, polygonal, and freehand. We're going to go with a freehand revision cloud. Come into the drawing area and right click and go arc length on the shortcut menu. Now it's saying that there's an approximate arc length in the revision cloud of 38.036. I'm going to bring that down to 30 and press enter. And now it asks for the first point. So I'm going to pick a point about here. And as I drag now, you'll see it start. And I don't need to click. I just drag the freehand cloud around, moving the mouse slowly as I go. So as I do that, when I get towards the end, it will just close it for me. So there's my revision cloud. But let's say that I wanted to show this view in this viewport at a different scale. So if I select the viewport now, and then if I go down here to the little padlock like so, I've unlocked the viewport, double click inside the viewport. Let's change the scale. So if I change that scale to say 1 to 5, you'll notice the revision cloud is pretty much useless. So that's why I don't like putting revision clouds in the layout tabs. So what I'll do is I'll make that 1 to 2 again. Bring that back to where it should be. Double click outside the viewport and select the viewport. And make sure we padlock our viewport again like so. Hit escape a couple of times to deselect the viewport. Select the revision cloud. And you can just right click and erase it like so. Let's jump back to the Model tab and zoom in on the section view and the side view. Let's check out the other two types of revision clouds. So if we go to the flyout here on the draw panel, we've got rectangular, which is fairly self-explanatory. And again, I'm going to right click after I've clicked on the revision cloud command and go to arc length. So you'll see now that it's saying approximate length of arc 30. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. I'm going to go for 40 this time. And basically, I'm going to start clicking down here once, drag, as if I'm placing a rectangle up here once. So it's 2 clicks for a rectangular revision cloud. Very quick and easy. But sometimes they can look a bit funny at the corners. Now, I'm going to select that revision cloud, right click and erase it. And the last one we're going to look at is polygonal. Now, polygonal is quite cool because you can be a lot more exact with where your revision cloud goes. Now, the arc length should be the same, but I'm going to right click and go to arc length again. It's still 40. That should be fine. Press enter to confirm. So now I'm going to start clicking. And as I keep clicking, you'll notice the polygonal revision cloud just appears around my shape of my views there. So I'm working around the section view. And as I keep coming out and keep clicking, it's starting to place it around the view. And you can be really exact. If you want to be economical on space, it's a really useful revision cloud tool. So when you get to a point where you're happy, press enter to confirm. Now, that looks really nice, that one. It kind of goes round everything and is a similar shape to the section view and the side view. So if I jump back now to the Sections and Elevations Layout tab, there's my revision cloud in my viewport. And the good thing is that revision cloud is in the model, so it won't be affected by any viewport changes. If you change the scale of the viewport, this will still be in that view in the viewport. So those are your revision clouds for your AutoCAD drawings. They're a great way of highlighting content and to communicate your design intent in your drawings.